To get started with Monzo Flex, you need to have a Monzo account and the Monzo app on your mobile device. Monzo Flex is a feature that allows you to split purchases into interest-free monthly payments, helping you manage your expenses more effectively. First, open the Monzo app and navigate to the card section, where you will see the option to use Monzo Flex. Select the card you want to use with Monzo Flex and choose the purchase you want to split into. Payments. You can choose from a range of repayment periods, typically between 3 and 12 months. Once you have selected your repayment period, Monzo will calculate the monthly payment amount and display it in the app. You can then confirm the payment plan and Monzo will split the purchase into interest-free monthly payments. It is essential to make your monthly payments on time to avoid any late fees or penalties. You can set up automatic payments in the Monzo app to ensure you never miss a payment. Additionally, you can track your repayment progress in the app and make manual payments if needed. To get the most out of Monzo Flex, make sure to review the terms and conditions before signing up. You should also consider your budget and ensure you can afford the monthly payments before committing to a payment plan. Monzo Flex can be a useful tool for managing large purchases or unexpected expenses, helping you stay in control of your finances. By following these steps and using Monzo Flex responsibly, you can make the most of this feature and enjoy the benefits of interest-free monthly payments.